A vital part of our gold-certified engineering design pathway is project-based learning, which we call PBL. When students engage in these interdisciplinary projects, they are using the engineering design process across their classes.
In the first engineering course that our students take, our students are introduced to the engineering design process, learn to document their work in an engineering notebook, and develop proficiency in CAD software for 3D modeling. In the capstone course that our students take to complete our pathway, our students build on the skills that they learned in the concentrator course by preparing them to earn an industry-recognized certification in Autodesk Inventor software.
So some skills that I've gained, starting with general skills that I think will help anybody. It would be things like critical thinking, allowing us to not only know the answer to something, but also the process of thinking through it. Then there's also the more specific skills that we've learned. For example, working with machinery. That's one very big thing. For example, a milling machine, we know how to use those. We know how to use 3D printers. We know how to use a CNC machine. And we also know how to use CAD, which would be computer-aided design.
Additionally, through our advisory class, which we call STEM Lab, students work on components of work readiness badge that include resumes, cover letters, job applications, and mock interviews. For college preparedness, we offer dual enrollment and concurrent enrollment at East Los Angeles College, which gives students college credits in high school.
With a wide selection of clubs and various programs available, scholars have the opportunity to pursue their interests and acquire new skills beyond the classroom.
Extracurricular activities like VEX Robotics play a vital role in helping students develop both academic and personal skills. Academically, these programs reinforce critical thinking, problem solving, and STEM-related knowledge in real-world applications. Personally, students build confidence, resilience, and communication skills by working collaboratively and managing challenges in high-pressure environments like competitions. Programs that involve mentoring younger students also teach empathy, patience, and the importance of giving back to the community.
I have worked on projects like the hydrogen-powered remote control cars, volunteered in assisting in VEX, and helped run drone competitions. I've also contributed to the mechanics of drones. These activities had broadened my career path due to the experience and exposure I'm receiving. I get hands-on experience that I can incorporate into an industry-based job. These opportunities that are available at my school have motivated me to excel academically because they incorporate fun engineering-based projects.
El programa de ingeniería es uno de los mejores programas que hay en las escuelas del Distrito de Los Ángeles y funciona, ya que tenemos exalumnos que son ingenieros. Quiero recalcar que aunque su hijo no esté interesado en la ingeniería, tráigalo. Aquí se va a motivar viendo a los otros estudiantes.
Being in a small school setting enhances teacher-student collaboration and engagement because it allows us to develop a closer, more personal connection between educators and our students.
The other way is the fact that we also have a shared decision-making body, and so the fact that everyone has a voice. Unlike a traditional school where it's top-down and the principal is making the decision, here everyone just got a voice, including students, and that is powerful. And I think that's the most important thing about our school.
We are a gold certified school and have programs in architecture and engineering design. We are also able to help lead the school's activities and start programs.
So as a special education teacher, I find that it's very important for my students, especially the students who are on the autism spectrum, to be able to participate in presentations, which is a skill I believe is important for them to develop. It's a platform that allows them to just be visible so that they can share and show people that they are capable, that they have ideas to share, and it's just amazing. It helps them grow a lot as students.
When our school organizes activities such as food drives, volunteer projects, or engaging clubs, students gain first-hand experience in addressing community issues and understanding the impact of collective actions. Products help create an inclusive and supportive atmosphere for our school community because it is an opportunity to bring people closer together.
When speaking with parents, I simply ask a question: where do you see your child thriving? Oftentimes, parents will seek a school that supports their children with resources, offer work readiness programs, and promotes social emotional development. Our school offers all of these programs and services and more. The school stands out because our teachers work to make this school special.
Our school provides so much opportunities for everyone, whether it can be leadership or anything STEM-based.
First of all, if you are interested in engineering, it's probably one of the best choices that you can have because it's very focused on engineering. Robotics, our robotics team is really good. You make all the parts here.
Inscribir a su estudiante en esta escuela es la mejor oportunidad que puede darle a su hijo. Vengan a conocer la escuela. El proceso de inscripción es fácil. Siempre el personal está disponible para ayudar a los padres con cualquier pregunta.